Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started today, which is May 15th, and they are good up until Saturday, May 21st. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, guys, so this was an in-store transaction. I used a digital booster, get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20. And then I also paired that with the paper booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. Now, today's transaction didn't go 100% like I had planned. I had problems with my digital coupons coming off, but as far as registry rewards, all of my registry rewards printed. So let's go ahead and get started. The first deal is with the Oral-B toothbrushes. Now these toothbrushes, guys, were priced at my store for $3. That's the tag. That is the price that they should have been. When I got home to check my receipt, I should have checked the receipt when I was in the car, but I didn't. So when I got home to check my receipt, I noticed that they rung up for $4 instead of $3. So the deal that I was going to the store to do was buy 3 at $3. That would bring my total to $9. Use the 5 off of 3 digital coupon. That would bring my total to $4. And then receive a $4 registry reward when you buy 2, making them completely free. But since these rung up $1 higher than what they were supposed to, they were not free for me. So these ones rung up at $4 and I purchased 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. Minus that $5 digital coupon will bring the total down to just $7. And then you receive back a $4 registry reward, which I did receive, making my total $3 for all 3 or $1 each. So that is not what I was trying to do. And again, they were priced at $3 at my store. The tag had $3 on it. I should have double checked my receipt. So make sure that you scan your products, even if it is priced with the correct tag, the correct sale price that it's supposed to be. Make sure you just go ahead and scan the item in the app just to double check and confirm. So these ones right here ended up being $1 each for me. And then next up, I went ahead and grabbed a Colgate toothbrush along with some Colgate toothpaste. Both of these items are priced at Walgreens for $2.99. The deal is you will receive a $4 registry reward when you buy 2. So you're going to purchase 2 at $2.99, and that's going to bring your total to $5.98. We have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Colgate toothbrush. And then we also have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Colgate toothpaste. So that's a total of $2 in digital coupons. So $5.98 minus the $2 in digital coupons, that will bring your total down to $3.98. And then you will receive back this $4 registry reward, making these completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 4 of the Gain liquid laundry detergents. And these are priced at Walgreens at 4 for $16. No coupons for these, but I did have a $6 registry reward that had printed for me last week for spending $30 on P&G products. So I did go ahead and use that registry reward towards these Gain products. So no coupons for those. And then I also purchased the Scott paper towels along with the Scott toilet paper. Each of those are priced at $5. We do have that 125 IVC coupon that you can use. You can use the digital coupon, or you can either use the coupon in the coupon savings book. So $5 minus that 125 digital coupon will bring your total down to $3.75. And then we also have a $1 digital coupon on the app for each, making them just $2.75. And then lastly, I just grabbed this package of noodles. And this was priced at $2.79 because I needed to spend at least $2 more to reach my $40 threshold in order for me to be able to have been able to use my paper spin booster. So this is everything that I got, you guys. And so now let me just go ahead and show you all my receipts. So there's my 4 Gain laundry detergents at 4 for $16. My Colgate toothpaste at $2.99. Colgate toothbrush at $2.99. All 3 of my Oral-B products at $4, so $12 total. Scott Comfort Plus Tissue, $5. Scott Paper Towels at $5. And as you can see, the 125 IVC coupon did come off. And then my noodles at $2.79. Point coupon purchase, that is for my paper booster. Get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. The $4 is the $4 registry reward that I use. The $6 registry reward for spending $30 on P&G. And then the only digital coupon that came off for me was my $1 digital coupon for the Scott the Scott toilet paper. So my $1 digital did not come off for my Colgate toothpaste. My $1 digital did not come off for the Colgate toothbrush. My $5 digital did not come off for the Oral-B toothbrushes. And then my $1 digital coupon did not come off for my Scott paper towels. So that's a total of $8 in digital coupons that did not come off for me. So as you guys can see, my subtotal came out to be $33.27. But I have to factor in that $6 and $4 registry reward. So that's a total of $10 in registry rewards that I used in this transaction. So instead of my total being $33.27, it actually ended up being $43.27. And when you look down here where it says earn this visit, I did earn back $19.84. So $43.27. I did contact customer service, and customer service did credit that $8 back to my account for my digital coupons not coming off. So $43.27 minus the $8 that I got back from customer service, that brought my total down to $35.27. Then, as you guys can see, I received back $19.84 in Walgreens cash. 9 of that came from me spending $40 for my paper booster, $5 for my digital booster for spending $20. I got extra from the Walgreens everyday points, and then this is also my birthday month, so I got some extra points for that. So all of that totaled up to be $19.84. So $35.27 minus the $19.84 that I got back in Walgreens cash rewards, that brought my total down to $15.43. Then I received both of my $4 registry rewards, one for the Oral-B and then the other for the Colgate. So that's a total of $8 in registry rewards. So $15.43 minus the $8 in registry rewards, that brought my total down to $7.43. But not only that, I did go ahead and submit my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, and I did get back some points for Colgate and for my Scott products. So I got back a total of, I think, $632 or something like that, which is 63 cents. So $7.43 minus the 63 cents that I got back from Fetch Rewards, that brought my grand total down to $6.80 for all items, for all of these items. This is a total of 12 items. So when you divide that $6.80 by 12, it makes each item just 57 cents. So not a free transaction, but a really great transaction for me, because as you guys know, I do put together household bundles. So all 4 of these gain will be sold along with my Scott paper towels and toilet paper. Those items will be sold. So I know for sure that I am going to make up for the $6.80 that I spent out of pocket. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you all did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you all plan to get this week from Walgreens. I am going to make another trip back to Walgreens. I think this time I'm going to shop online because Rakuten is giving back 15%. So I'm going to take advantage of that. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one.